Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you the simple and updated way to send a board on Pinterest, so you can easily share your favorite ideas and inspirations with friends or collaborators. First, open the Pinterest app on your device and head straight to your profile. This is where all your boards and pins live, making it the perfect place to start sharing. Once you're on your profile, tap on the Boards tab. This will display all the boards you've created or saved. Scroll through and find the board you want to share. Now, here's the key step. Long press on the board you want to send. Press and hold the board's thumbnail until a menu pops up on your screen. From this menu, tap on the Send option. This action opens up your contacts list or recent conversations, allowing you to pick who you want to share the board with. Choose the contact or contacts you want to send the board to. You can select one or multiple people, depending on who you want to collaborate with or simply share your ideas. Finally, confirm sending by tapping the Send button. Your selected contacts will receive a notification or message with your board, ready for them to explore and enjoy. And that's it. Sharing a Pinterest board has never been easier or quicker. Whether you're planning a project, sharing recipes, or just spreading inspiration, this updated method keeps everything smooth and straightforward. Give it a try and start sharing your boards today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more tips and tricks to get the most out of Pinterest.